Welcome to Guided Body Scan for Relaxation, a meditation designed to help you reconnect with your body, release tension, and cultivate presence. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can be undisturbed. You may choose to lie down or sit upright, with your spine tall and relaxed. Allow your hands to rest gently. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. This is your time, a gentle invitation to slow down, to notice, and to rest in calm awareness. Let's begin by tuning into your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, soothing air. Exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any stress or heaviness. Feel the breath like an anchor, holding you steady in the present moment. As you continue, imagine inhaling serenity, a soft, peaceful light filling your body. And as you exhale, let go of tension, worry, or fatigue. With every breath, your body grows lighter, your mind quieter. We'll now begin a gentle journey through your body, moving slowly from head to toe. Start with the crown of your head. Notice any sensations, tingling, warmth, or stillness. Imagine a soft light melting away any tension here. Bring awareness to your forehead. Allow your brow to soften, releasing any tightness. Let this relaxation flow into your eyes. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Allow your eyelids to rest, heavy and calm. Shift to your cheeks and jaw. If you notice tension here, simply breathe into it and let it dissolve. Let your tongue rest easily in your mouth. Move to your neck and shoulders. With every exhale, feel the weight lift. Imagine your shoulders sinking into the surface beneath you. Bring awareness to your arms, elbows, wrists, and hands. Notice the gentle pulse of life in your fingertips. Allow your arms to feel heavy and relaxed. Now shift to your chest. Feel the natural rise and fall of your breath. Imagine your heart glowing with warmth, spreading peace throughout your body. Move down to your abdomen. With each inhale, let your belly expand gently. With each exhale, let it soften completely. Release any knots of tension here. Bring awareness to your back, upper, middle, and lower. Imagine a warm wave flowing along your spine, easing and supporting every muscle. Shift focus to your hips and pelvis. Allow any tightness to melt away, creating space and ease. Now move to your legs. Feel your thighs heavy and supported. Relax your knees, your calves, your ankles. Finally, bring attention to your feet and toes. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, grounding you gently to the earth below. Take a few breaths, sensing your whole body at once. Heavy, relaxed, and completely at ease. Stay with this sense of presence. Notice subtle sensations, warmth, tingling, stillness. Allow yourself to observe without judgment, simply noticing what is here in this moment. Your body is a sanctuary of calm. With every breath, peace expands through you. Silently repeat these affirmations. I release tension. I invite peace. My body is a sanctuary of calm. Feel these words resonate within, guiding you deeper into rest and renewal. Now simply rest. No effort, no expectation. Let yourself float in stillness, knowing your body and mind are safe, supported, and relaxed. If your mind wanders, return to the breath. Return to the body. As we conclude this guided body scan for relaxation, take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Gently begin to bring movement back into your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. And if you enjoyed this meditation, I invite you to support this space of peace by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and tapping the bell so you'll be gently reminded when new meditations are released. Thank you for sharing this moment of stillness with me. May your body and mind continue to rest in peace and serenity.